Ever feel like you're juggling a million things in your business, and client scheduling feels like just one more plate spinning precariously? What if you could automate a significant chunk of that, not just for one-off appointments, but for recurring services that keep your clients coming back for more? That's where the magic of subscriptions in Acuity scheduling comes in. Forget manually sending invoices, chasing payments, and the endless back and forth of rescheduling. Acuity's subscription feature can transform how you handle recurring revenue, freeing up your time and ensuring a steady stream of income. But how exactly does this work? It's more than just setting up a recurring appointment. It's about creating a seamless experience for both you and your clients. From initial sign-up to ongoing service delivery, think about the possibilities. If you're a coach, you could offer weekly or monthly coaching packages. A massage therapist might provide a monthly membership for regular treatments. A tutor could set up recurring sessions for ongoing academic support. The beauty of subscriptions lies in their versatility, adapting to a wide range of businesses and service offerings. So, let's dive into the nuts and bolts of how subscriptions work within Acuity scheduling. We'll explore the key components, the setup process, the client experience, and some best practices to help you make the most of this powerful feature. At its core, an Acuity subscription is a recurring appointment or package of appointments that clients pay for on a regular schedule, whether that's weekly, monthly, or even annually. This differs from a standard appointment where a client books and pays for a single service. With subscriptions, you're essentially establishing a longer-term relationship with your clients, providing consistent value and predictable income. There are several key elements that make up an Acuity subscription. The service or package. This is what your clients are actually subscribing to. It could be a specific appointment type, like a 60-minute coaching call, or a package of services, such as a monthly wellness package that includes a massage and a yoga session. You define the details of this service or package within your Acuity settings, just like you would for any other appointment type. The subscription plan. This is where you define the terms of the recurring payment and the frequency of the service delivery. You'll specify the price, the billing cycle, e.g., every month, and how often the client receives the service, e.g., one session per month. You can offer different subscription plans for the same service, providing clients with options that suit their needs and budget. For example, you might have a basic monthly coaching plan with one session and a premium plan with 2 sessions and email support. Payment integration. Acuity seamlessly integrates with various payment processors like Stripe and PayPal. This allows you to automatically charge your clients according to the subscription schedule you've set up. Clients typically enter their payment information once during the initial sign-up, and subsequent payments are processed automatically. This eliminates the need for manual invoicing and reduces the risk of late payments. Client portal. Acuity provides a client portal where subscribers can manage their subscriptions. They can view their upcoming appointments, update their payment information, and in some cases, even reschedule appointments within the parameters you've set. This self-service aspect empowers clients and reduces administrative burden on your end. Notifications and reminders. Acuity automatically sends out email notifications to both you and your clients regarding upcoming appointments and payment confirmations. This helps ensure everyone stays informed and reduces the likelihood of missed appointments or payment issues. You can customize these notifications to align with your brand and communication style. Now, let's walk through the typical process of setting up and managing subscriptions in Acuity. 1. Creating your service or package. The first step is to define the service or package you want to offer as a subscription. This is done within the appointment types or packages section of your Acuity settings. You'll specify the name, duration, price, although this will be overridden by the subscription plan price, and any other relevant details. 2. Setting up your subscription plans. Once you have your service or package defined, you'll navigate to the subscription plans section in Acuity. Here, you can create different subscription options for that service. For each plan, you'll need to specify plan name, a clear and descriptive name for the subscription plan, e.g., monthly coaching basic, weekly massage membership. Billing frequency, how often clients will be charged, e.g., weekly, monthly, quarterly, annually. Price, the recurring fee for the subscription. Included services/appointments. How many sessions or what specific services are included in each billing cycle? You can specify a fixed number of appointments or grant access to a package of services. Scheduling options. You can often control how clients can schedule their included appointments. For example, you might allow them to book any available time slot or restrict them to specific days or times. Trial periods. Optional, you can offer a free or discounted trial period to entice new subscribers. You can specify the duration of the trial. Setup fees. Optional, you can charge a one-time setup fee in addition to the recurring subscription cost. 3. Connecting to a payment processor. To process subscription payments automatically, you need to integrate Acuity with a supported payment processor like Stripe or PayPal. This is usually done in the payment settings section of your Acuity account. You'll need to connect your existing payment processor account or create a new one. 4. Making subscriptions available to clients. Once your subscription plans are set up and your payment processor is connected, you need to make these options available to your clients. This is typically done through your Acuity scheduling page. You can choose to display subscription options alongside your regular appointment types or create a dedicated section for subscriptions. 5. Managing subscriptions. Acuity provides tools for managing your active subscriptions. You can view a list of your subscribers, their active plans, their next billing date, and their upcoming appointments. You can also manually adjust subscription statuses, process refunds, if necessary, and communicate with your subscribers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.